called you the next best thing, but you come riding in without a name. Now get out your palm leaves, all hail the new king, who can handle the prize of fame. Well, you got it up there like a millionaire wedding. Before you know the raps, you got nowhere to stray. You know all the good children get to go to heaven, some get lost along the way. Cause the word don't come from a healing well, the words don't spread like a magic spell. You can get on another carousel when you want to. Oh no, no. Now somebody called me from far away, wanted to show me the shortcuts to save time, but I don't want to be caught in that cage. Yeah, we're gonna do it some way, better do it in mine. Cause the word don't come from a healing well, the word doesn't spread like a magic spell. You can get on another carousel when you want. Oh no, no. A place to go, somewhere different in another life. I say hello to the people who were born in a different sign. Away from the elections that were buzzing on the screen, were satellites, were selling lies about your cruise shattered dreams. Oh no. And I took the high road down to where it's safe, being a little incomplete, where adaptation to society doesn't mean you have to lie to get what you need. And on your face I see the emptiness of the souls that disappeared, and when your mind was clear, you found a way to stay alive. They tore your heart out like you were nothing. All your friends think you are crazy. We are free, still our kids are fighting for our nation's privacy. They tear our hearts out. We are nothing. They keep pretending we are crazy, yeah. They love to tell